Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another part-time evenings weekend work from home job lead for you. I see a lot of people in the comments wanting part-time jobs to work around other responsibilities or other jobs. Maybe you're looking for a second job. So that's what I am trying to do today. Find a few part-time jobs for you. I do try to mix it up here and there so we get a little bit of healthcare, a little bit of customer service, a little bit of part-time, a little bit of data entry, a little bit of non-phone, everything. So always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But AAA is hiring yet again. They're hiring an emergency roadside telephone responder. Now, this is part-time remote, and this is work from home for the United States only. They are looking for someone to work 24 hours a week, split between 4 days a week, and they are looking for evening weekend hours. They're looking for either to work 3 p.m. to 9 p.m., 4 p.m. to 10 p.m., or a 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time shift. One weekend day is required. If you're outside the Eastern Time Zone, you'll have to convert your times to that to see if that works for you. They are offering virtual paid training that starts on April 10th, and it'll go 3 weeks long, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So make sure you're available for 3 weeks during the day to do the training. Outside of that, it is going to be an evening job. But they are looking for someone to basically answer and accurately respond to incoming calls from members in need of roadside assistance. They say you'll answer an average of 40 to 60 calls per day. You're going to deliver great customer service to those AAA members that are in need. You'll use sound business judgment and act with empathy, making sure that their questions are answered. And they do provide you with knowledge-based FAQs and reference material for you to be able to answer those questions. You'll have to enter information into the computer system like their location details, vehicle make and model, and description of their needs. And then you'll use online mapping and search resources to assist the member in determining their breakdown location and establishing their tow destination. So you're going to be getting all the information from them and then dispatching them the help they need. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They prefer somebody who has 2 to 5 years of some kind of customer service experience. They want someone who has great written and oral communication skills and the ability to cope in a professional manner. Now, if this sounds perfect for you, they're paying $15 an hour. They do offer a benefit package that includes a 401k, paid time off, and it does say all of your assigned duties while working for AAA have to be performed on the computer equipment provided, so they are going to provide all the computer equipment you need. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.